We are going to learn about solving inequalities using the signs greater than, less than, or equal to. Hopefully you remember that this sign is the greater than sign, and this side is the less than sign. Also, we have the equal to sign, which is used when the numbers are equal. A good way to remember which sign to use is to think of the greater than and less than signs as mouths. As you can see, with the greater than sign, the open part right here is a mouth, and the sign always wants to eat the bigger number. A good way to think about this is if you have the symbol greater than, this open part is the mouth and always wants to eat the biggest number. So think of the number as pieces of candy. Would you rather have 4 pieces of candy or just 1? Most of you would pick 4. So that way this mouth right here is eating the bigger number. Let's try some examples together. So if we had 5 pieces of candy over here and 1 piece of candy over here, would we use the greater than symbol, the less than symbol, or the equal to symbol? That's right. We would use the greater than symbol because this mouth right here is going to be eating the one with the bigger piece. So we have the open part of the symbol toward the bigger number, which is 5. Let's try the example with the numbers 3 and 10. In this equation, would we use the sign greater than, less than, or equal to? You're right. We would use the less than sign because the number 10 is the bigger number, so we want the open part to be towards the bigger number. Here we have the equation with the numbers 18 and 18 in them. For this equation, would we use the signs greater than, less than, or equal to? We would use the symbol equal to because 18 is the same as the number 18. So this equation would read 18 is equal to 18. When we read equations, we read them with whichever sign is pointed to or is on the left side. So if we have this sign right here, we would read that some number is less than some number. We would read it this way because this smaller part over on this side is less than. So we would read a number less than some number. If you had the equation with a number here and the sign this way and this way, we would read it as some number is greater than another number because the greater than sign is on the left side. In this equation, in the box, should it be a greater than, less than, or equal to sign? You're right. It should be less than because 8 is less than 99. Let's do one more. What sign should be in this box? Should it be greater than, less than, or equal to? You're right. It should be equal to because 6 is equal to 6.